Here at Deep South, we have lots of acorns. They fall all over the ground, so we're going to be using those for pig food. First, I take and rake up a pile of leaves with a lot of the acorns in them. Lots of acorns. And the easy way to do this without help, the leaves will come off the top if you kind of shake it a little. There's no acorns in those leaves. And I just kind of shake it around. Take leaves and limbs out. And you're left with almost all acorns. You can shake it like that. The leaves come off the top. Now you're going to have some leaves, but for the most part, a bucket full of acorns. And I've got a lot here to go. You see that? Those pigs love them. I bring these acorns back here to the pig because, or both pigs, because we're going to be processing these pigs within the next couple of weeks. And we're trying not to feed them any type of feeds. They're getting corn and acorns and things like that that will grow them out and keep the weight on them without putting any processed anything on them. And of course, Hank is going to get in the picture. Our newest pigs, the old black hogs, whatever we call them, they love these too. So we just bring them some acorns to eat. And they're as big as the other pigs we have in the back. Look at that.